To the citizens of Moss Point, this 2017 election is very important because we have the opportunity to choose a candidate who has proven engagement with the citizens and the community of Moss Point. We, the electorate, the voters, us, the citizens, have the opportunity to minimize our risk by electing a public servant who has been doing just that, serving the public. We must spend more time identifying and understanding the intentions of each candidate instead of electing persons not already doing the job, expecting them to do the job once elected. In the areas of community relations, economic development, housing, parks and recreation, and education, I'm sure each candidate has their own ideas of long-term growth. My particular interest lies in the short-term successes using our most important assets, our current resources. How do we use what we have available right now to benefit and grow our community? We must ask ourselves, what are our most valuable resources? My initial response is us, our human capital. How can we work together to better support our small businesses, our school district, our recreational programming? How can we work together to improve our own quality of life? As your next mayor, I'm committed to supporting the efforts of our civic and social organizations, those groups purposed to support the city in areas that we may lack certain resources. I'm also committed to bringing resources to make small businesses more sustainable. And I'll also play a very significant role in assisting our Parks and Recs program with organizing events so that they are well promoted and well attended by all citizens. As a budding entrepreneur, I am eager to create partnerships with private developers interested in housing and economic development opportunities centered around water recreation and tourism. For those of you who have been supporting me over the last 4 years, be it via the Wake Up Project Back to School Rally, the free community car wash, maybe it was the River City Christmas Trail or the 5,000-pound food drive that we did during the Christmas holidays. Or maybe you was outside having fun with us during our nights at the venue when we had live bands, open mic night, poetry nights, or maybe it was the Wisecrack comedy series, enjoying Toya Free or Jeremy Kirkland. Either way, I invite you, along with the rest of the citizens of the city of Moss Point, to elect me as your next mayor as we work together to make Moss Point great again. Thank you.